Hello kids, good morning to all. Welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Smita Miss, your English teacher. How are you my dear children? Hope everyone is fine and safe at home. Did you all have your breakfast? എല്ലാവരും ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് കഴിച്ചിട്ടില്ലേ? യെസ്, മോർണിംഗ് ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് ഈസ് വെരി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്. എല്ലാവരും ക്ലാസ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതിന് മുൻപ് തന്നെ ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് കഴിച്ചിട്ട് വേണം ഇരിക്കാൻ. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണെന്നറിയോ? ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് കഴിച്ചാൽ നമ്മുടെ ബ്രെയിൻ ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്യാനും നമ്മൾ ഗ്രോ ചെയ്യാനും എനർജി കിട്ടാനും ഒക്കെ നമുക്ക് ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് കഴിക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും കഴിക്കില്ലേ? വെരി ഗുഡ്. എവ്രി വൺ ഷുഡ് ഹാവ് യുവർ ബ്രേക്ക്ഫാസ്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് സിറ്റ് ഫോർ അവർ ക്ലാസ്. വിൽ യു ചിൽഡ്രൻ? Very good. Now let us begin our class. Are you ready? Yes. Last class we discussed about vowels and consonants. Do you remember children? എല്ലാവർക്കും ഓർമ്മയുണ്ടോ? നമ്മൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ എന്താ പഠിപ്പിച്ചേ? വോവൽസിനെ കുറിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞു, കൺസണൻസിനെ കുറിച്ച് പറഞ്ഞു. So how many vowels are there? Anyone can say? Yes. Say louder. Yes. A, E, I, O, U, right? So totally 5 vowels. എത്ര vowels ഉണ്ട്? 5 vowels. ഇവിടെ നോക്കൂ. Here it is vowels. So shall we repeat it again? A, E, I, O, U. Correct? Repeat again. A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. Right children? Now how many consonants are there? എത്ര consonants ഉണ്ട്? Yes, there are 21 consonants. എത്ര consonants ഉണ്ട്? 21. Shall we read which all are the consonants? See here. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So totally how many? 21. Shall we repeat it again? Yes. Say louder. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. So totally 21 consonants. Always remember children, 5 vowels and 21 consonants altogether. Altogether how many? 26 letters. Okay? And you should always practice writing A to Z capital and small letter in your 4-line notebook. Okay? Very good. Now last class we also discussed the sounds of A and E. First we learned how to join 2-letter word and then the 3-letter word. Do you remember? Yes. Last class we ആദ്യം എന്താ ചെയ്തേ? A സൗണ്ടും E സൗണ്ടിൻ്റെയും പഠിപ്പിച്ചു. അത് ഫസ്റ്റ് ഏതാ ചെയ്തേ? 2-letter പഠിപ്പിച്ചു. എങ്ങനെ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുക? വിത്ത് ദ ഹെൽപ്പ് ഓഫ് സൗണ്ട്സ് അല്ലേ? സൗണ്ടിൻ്റെ ഹെൽപ്പ് കൊണ്ട് കൂടിയിട്ട്. അപ്പോൾ at, അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്താ ചെയ്തേ? 1 more letter നമ്മൾ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തു. അപ്പോൾ എന്താ? her, at, hat. Repeat again. her, at, hat. The next letter, first a, g, ug, ag, ug. Next, first ഏത് ലെറ്റർ നമ്മൾ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തേ? ഫസ്റ്റ് b. ബിയുടെ സൗണ്ട് എന്താണ്? b. b, a, g, bag. Repeat again. b, a, g, bag. Right? Very good. Next, what is this letter children? It is E. The next vowel is E. Now see here. Which letter is this? E. A. What is the sound of E? A, t. At. A, t. At. We have joined 1 more letter. What is the sound of N? Which letter is this? N. Right children? What is the sound of N? N. N, A, T. Net. Repeat again. N, A, T. net. Now see here, what is this? Egg, egg. So one more letter we have added here. Which letter is this? This is L. What is the sound of L? L. L, egg, leg, leg, leg. Okay. Now we will see few more examples from our literacy skill books. Now see here children, can you see? Yes, here see which letter is this? This is A. A as in which pattern did we learn? We learned in CVC pattern, right children? CVC pattern. We told in last class what is CVC? It is consonant, vowel and consonant. So 3 letter word. First letter is consonant, the middle letter vowel and the last letter again it is consonant. So shall we read? See here with A. What all the other letters it is coming? What is the first letter? Can you see? It is H, A, T. What is the sound of H? H, A, T. Hat. H, A, T. Hat. Next letter see M, A, T. What is the sound of M? M, A, T. Mat. M, A. Mat. Mat. The next C, A, T. What is the sound of C? K. A, T. So K, A. Cat. Cat. Next B, A, T. What is the sound of B? B, A, T. Did you get it? Shall we repeat it again? Hat, mat, cat, bat. Repeat again children. Hat, mat, cat, bat. Did you get it? Yes. Now we will see the next letter. What is this? The letter E. What is the sound of E? A. So, see the first letter here. Which letter is this? It is P. What is the sound of P? P. Right? P, A, N. Pen. Right? Repeat again. P, A, N. Pen. See the next letter? M, E, N. What is the sound of M? M, A, N. Sound of N is N. So, M, N. Men. M, A, N. Men. The next letter T, E, N. Right? So, what is the sound of T? T, A, N. Ten. T, A, N. Ten. See next letter? It is H, E, N. So, what is the sound of H? H. H, A, N. Hen. Repeat again. H, A, N. Hen. Did you get it? Very good. Now, we will write the sound of A in our notebook. Everyone take your 4-line notebook children. Now, how you should write? See here, in your 4-line notebook, you should ask your parents to draw 2 lines and give. Okay? Should ask your parents to draw 2 lines. In the first column, you should write A. What you should write? You should write A. And next, it is at. At. What is this? At. At. And next, K. Which letter is this? C. Right? C. A. T. Cat. K. A. T. Cat. Repeat again. A. At. Cat. Did you get it? Repeat again. A. At. Cat. You should say and write in your notebook. We will see one more word. See here. Here also you should ask your parents to draw line and give. Okay? Now see here, the first letter again it is A, G, ug, A, G, ug. So what is the first letter here? B. So it is B, A, G, bag, B, A, G, bag. Did you get it? Learn these two words and practice daily. Okay children? Very good. Now we will go to the next sound. It is after E, what is the next sound? It is I. Okay? Very good. Which letter is this? This is letter I. Repeat, which letter is this? This is letter I. What is the sound of letter I? E. So, E, T, I, T, E, T, it. Now, we will use words in CVC pattern. So, what we should use? Now, look at this. What is this? Can you see? What is this? A boy is sitting in a chair. So, what do we say? Sit, right? Sit, sir. What is the first sound it is coming? Sir, sir, it, sit. Did you get it? Sir, it, sit. See, the boy is sitting here. So, what do we say? Sit. When we are standing, you should sit. How will say? Sit children, right? Yes. So, sir, it, sit. Did you get it? Yes. Now, we will see the next letter. What is this? E, G, I, G. So, what is the sound of I? E, sound of G is G, E, G, ig. Now, look here, what is this? Can you see? What is this? Which animal is this? This is pig. Repeat again, which animal is this? This is pig. What is the first sound? Yes, yes, it is P. P means P. P means P. P, I, G. Pig. See here, this is pig. Can you see? P, I, G. Pig. Now we will repeat both letters. Say with me. S, I, T. Sit. Repeat again. S, I, T. Sit. P, I, G. Pig. Did you get it children? Yes. Now we will do one worksheet with letter I. Take your phonetics worksheet book children. Now look here. Can you see? Yes. What is this? You should cross out the vowel I in each word. What you should do? എന്താ ചെയ്യണ്ടേ? Vowel I ഉള്ള സ്ഥലത്ത് നിങ്ങൾ cross ചെയ്യണം. Okay? മനസ്സിലായോ? So, what is the first picture here? It is ink pot. So, where is I here? Can you see? Yes, here it is I. So, you should cross. മനസ്സിലായോ? Next, what is this? Hill, right? You should find out where is I and you should cross out. Next, fish. Find out where is I and next it is zip. Where is I? You should cross. Very good. Now, name each picture and write I to complete the word. എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് ഇതിനകത്ത്? പിക്ചർ നോക്കുക. ഏത് പിക്ചറാന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചിട്ട് you should write I to complete the word. For example, what is the first picture here? It is pin. Pin എന്താണെന്ന് അറിയില്ലേ? കുത്തണത് pin. Okay? What is this? Pin. What is the first letter here? P. Then here it is gap is there. So what you should write? Pin. What is the after P? What is the next sound coming? E. P. So we should write I, and next it is N. N means N, right? Very good. P, A, N. Pin. See the next nib. This picture nib. So N. N ന്റെ സൗണ്ട് എന്താ? N, E, B. അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ ഏത് ലെറ്റർ നമ്മൾ എഴുതണ്ടേ? I. Okay. Next. What is this? Bin. Very good. So ഇവിടെ എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് നമ്മൾ? B ന്റെ സൗണ്ട് എന്താണ്? B. E, N. E എന്ന് സൗണ്ട് വരുമ്പോൾ ഏത് ലെറ്റർ എഴുതുക? I. നെക്സ്റ്റ് പിക്ചർ നോക്കൂ. വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദിസ്? ബിബ് അല്ലേ? നമ്മൾ ഈ കഴുത്തിൽ കെട്ടണത് ബിബ്. സോ ഇതെന്താണ്? ഫസ്റ്റ് ലെറ്റർ നോക്കൂ. ബി അല്ലേ? ബീൻ്റെ സൗണ്ട് എന്താ? ബ്. ഇ. ഇ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഏത് സൗണ്ട്, ഏത് ലെറ്റർ ആണ് വരിക? ഐ ആൻഡ് ബി. സോ ബ്, ഇ, ബ്. ബിബ്. Okay children, practice these words in your home and also write the letter A sound words in your 4-line notebook. You should practice reading all the words from your literacy skill books. Will you children? Okay, very good. We'll see you in next class. Okay, bye bye.